I'm Andy Krein.
I'm Brynne Krein. We're in the Avondale neighborhood of Chicago, and we moved in 2017. We've survived a DIY renovation.
When we first moved in here, we just had just a parking pad in the back and just a gate that we had to manually open and close. And the gate was in pretty rough shape. So when we moved into the home, we knew initially that, okay, we want to have a garage. Obviously, Chicago winters can be a bit rough, and we knew we wanted some sort of outdoor entertaining space. So the very initial thing was getting a contractor to actually do the garage. That was not something that we were planning on tackling ourselves. As always, every project creates new projects, and so then we had to install the fence behind us. As far as the construction of the pergola, it was dig down below the frost line, and we had to pour the concrete supports, and then had to build kind of a support structure system while we're doing all the beams up above the pergola construction, which I think that's the most fun part.
And you got to do it with your dad.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Oh, a lot of props to my dad too for helping out on this one.
Yeah. I think some of our best nights have been we've come out with like bowls of ice cream and turned on these twinkly lights and just sat under here, and it's like quiet. You can't even hear the highway noise.
It's a cozy spot that you feel a little secluded. It's a nice little escape.